Right now on Jamaica News Page tonight. Tragedy in Clarendon. 3 family members hacked to death inside a home in Rocky Point. A relative is now in custody tonight as investigators work to piece together what led to this deadly dispute. Also tonight, a deadly police encounter in Manchester. A man known as Jankro shot and killed during an early morning confrontation with officers in Porus. And a desperate search is now underway in St. Elizabeth. A vehicle plunges off the Locovia Bridge into the Black River. 1 man feared dead tonight as rescuers race against time. Plus, a warning from the fire brigade as holiday electricity use increases. And there's good news tonight. Christmas comes early for children hit hard by the hurricane as police roll out a special surprise to bring smiles and hope. Welcome back to Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica, and it's all powered by viewers like you. If you value what we do, independent journalism, you can support our work by becoming a Jamaica News Page Elite or Star member. Members get special loyalty badges next to their name in the comments, shoutouts for birthdays, and other special moments. Your support really helps keep our reporting strong, independent, and accessible to everyone. So certainly, we look forward to you joining by clicking that join button. So tap join after you've subscribed to become a member right now. Jamaica News Page tonight starts right now. We begin tonight with a heartbreaking developing story. 3 persons were hacked to death in a reported dispute among family members in the Frasersfield area of Rocky Point in Clarendon on Thursday night. The victims have been identified as 32-year-old fisherman Linval Henry, Annette Lindo, a domestic helper and vendor, and her sister Ingrid Keisha Lindo, also a vendor. Police say they were alerted to the incident around 9:10 p.m. and found all 3 victims suffering from chop wounds. They were pronounced dead at the scene. Preliminary investigation suggests that a dispute developed between Henry and the accused. Annette Lindo and her sister Ingrid were reportedly attacked while trying to intervene. A male relative was taken into custody shortly after the incident for questioning. The Jamaica Constabulary Force says investigations are ongoing tonight. New tonight, a Manchester man was shot and killed during an early morning confrontation with police in Porus on Thursday. The deceased has been identified as Omar Campbell, otherwise called Jankro. Police say officers were conducting an operation in the Trinity area around 5:45 a.m. when Campbell reportedly challenged them. Officers say they opened fire in self-defense. Campbell was transported to the Mandeville Regional Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Police say an illegal firearm, a 9mm pistol with ammunition, was recovered at the scene. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, has since launched a probe into the circumstances surrounding the fatal shooting. Developing tonight, a man is feared dead after a vehicle plunged into the Black River off the Locovia Bridge in St. Elizabeth Friday afternoon.
A vehicle ran over in a Locovia Bridge. Yeah, so we are going to show you what really are going. Pipe bus, the whole works. So look at how we're going and stuff. I must draw this visual. The vehicle went over, but we don't see the house. Hold on, that's where the vehicle is. They take you out already? In there? So the people them come out?
Some of them.
Some of them?
Yeah, one guy swim out on the
Viewers.
Councillor Christopher Williams says the vehicle veered off the road around 1 p.m. after the driver reportedly lost control. The bridge rails, already weakened, were further damaged by Hurricane Melissa. The driver's stepson reportedly escaped the vehicle and survived, suffering injuries. Emergency teams, including divers, police, and the fire brigade, continue search efforts tonight. Police in St. Anne are investigating the death of a fisherman whose body was found in a reef line off Duns River on Thursday. The deceased has been identified as 31-year-old Darren Grant, off Roaring River, St. Anne. Investigators believe Grant was spearfishing when he encountered difficulties and drowned. His body was recovered and taken to hospital, where he was pronounced dead. In other news tonight, a St. Andrew real estate developer has been acquitted of fraud-related charges connected to the sale of a townhouse. Devin Evans had been accused of fraudulent conversion and obtaining money by false pretense in a 2008 transaction involving Dr. Lloyd Goldson. However, the court found inconsistencies in the prosecution's case. Chief Parish Court Judge Chester Crooks ruled that the evidence failed to meet the criminal threshold. The judge noted that any remaining disputes should be handled as a civil matter. Tonight, more overseas linemen have arrived in Jamaica to accelerate electricity restoration following Hurricane Melissa. A total of 117 workers from Canada landed in Montego Bay on Wednesday, bringing the number of international crews to more than 200. Energy Minister Darrell Vaz says power has been restored to 84% of customers, with most remaining areas expected to regain service by mid-January. JPS CEO Hugh Grant says in some parishes, damaged infrastructure must be rebuilt rather than repaired. Tonight, the Jamaica Fire Brigade is urging the public to use caution with extension cords and electrical appliances, warning that improper use can cause fires. Fire officials say many household extension cords are not designed to handle heavy electrical loads, especially in the kitchen. They advise residents to plug high-energy appliances directly into wall outlets and to avoid overloading power strips. And before we go tonight, Christmas came early for children attending JCF Care Christmas villages across Western Jamaica. Police introduced the JCF Bucks, a special currency allowing children to choose how to spend $8,500 on food, toys, and clothing. The initiative was funded by police officers who redirected funds from their annual cocktail event to support communities affected by Hurricane Melissa. Police say the program aims to restore dignity, joy, and independence to children during the holiday season. Well done. And that's the news on Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica, and it's all powered by viewers like you. If you value what we do, independent journalism, you can support our work by becoming a Jamaica News Page Star or Elite member. Remember, members get special loyalty badges next to their name in the comments, shout-outs for birthdays, and other special moments. Your support helps keep our reporting strong, independent, and accessible to everyone. So please tap join after you've subscribed to become a member right now. Certainly, thank you for watching Jamaica News Page tonight. We'll see you in the comments, and be sure to join us again for more news. From all of us here, good night.